Back to tonight's big question. How does someone charged with this serious of an offense get out of jail?
WDRB's Dalton Godby explains the bail process and the push from lawmakers to get it changed. Dalton?
Scott Hayden, in Kentucky, after someone is arrested, a judge will immediately review the case, taking into consideration the charges, the narrative, and the criminal history. They determine the initial bail amount. Now, at the first court appearance for that person, the county attorney or prosecutor will argue for the bail to be increased. Oftentimes, the defense argues for a lower bail amount, but ultimately, it is the sitting judge who decides the final bail amount. As for organizations paying that amount, lawmakers want it outlawed. 21-year-old Quintez Brown walking out of jail just days after police say he took shots at Louisville mayoral candidate Craig Greenberg. The group paying for his $100,000 bail, the Louisville Community Bail Fund.
Somebody tried to assassinate someone running for mayor, and he's out of jail 48 hours later. Can't find words for the stupidity of that.
Now lawmakers want to ban charitable organizations from paying for individuals' bail with House Bill 313.
Where we support low-level offenders getting out of jail, going back to their jobs, going back to their families. But when they've committed a violent offense, especially when they tried to assassinate someone running for mayor of Louisville, those corporations shouldn't be bailing anyone out.
Louisville Representative Jason Nemes, the sponsor of the bill, says it must stop immediately.
Right now, this group is running amok and doesn't have any care for public safety, and so we have to shut them down.
It has also sparked discussions to eliminate the cash bail program in Kentucky, leaving the decision to release or detain up to judges with no option for bonding out.
Sounds perfect in a situation when everyone in the community is focused on this one individual and his alleged actions against Craig Greenberg, but saying let's eliminate cash bail because if we did, this person might be in jail and he's not today. In reality, it probably makes people much less safe over time.
Local attorney Brian Butler believes leaving it to the judge to decide the fate of a person creates two issues. Jail populations could skyrocket with harsher judges, or crime would increase with lenient judges. He cautions lawmakers to see the big picture before legislating.
Make a law based only on one case, you're going to end up with a really bad law that has oftentimes terrible unintended consequences.
House Bill 313, preventing corporations from bailing people out of jail, could be voted on in the House next week. Dalton Godby, WDRB News.